everyone. My name is Rutuja Balaji Tonpe, and today I am going to speak about the art and technology. So, art and technology's introduction. Art and technology are two important parts of human life. Earlier, people thought art and technology were completely different. Art was connected with creativity and emotions, while technology was connected with mechanics and science. But today's both are strongly connected and work together in many amazing ways. So, what is art and what is the technology? So, art, creativity, expression, and what is the technology, tools, machines, and innovation? How both are connected in today? So, answer is what is the art? So, art is a way of expressing ideas, feelings, imaginations, and creativity. People use art to communication emotions and thoughts. Art can be in many forms such as painting, music, dance, photography, and films and drawing. Art has been part of human culture since times. Cave painting, traditional music, and handmade crafts an example of earlier art. Art helps in people understand beauty, culture, and emotions. And what is technology? Technology means using scientific knowledge and tools, machines to make work easier and solve problem. Example of technology includes solve problem. Example of technology include computer, smartphones, cameras, the internet, artificial intelligence, and software applications. Technology has improved our communications, education, healthcare, entertainments, and many other fields. Today's technology is present in almost every part of our lives. And how are art and technology connected today? Today, art and technology are closely connected. Technology helps artists create better and faster work. Artists use computers, software, cameras, and digital tools to create painting, music, films, and animation. Technology also helps artists share their work worldwide through social media and online platform. Because of technology, people can enjoy art from different countries and culture easier. Now let us look at some important areas where art and technology work together. So next slide. AI in art, how artificial intelligence create painting and music. Example of AI generated artwork and machine creating arts. So artificial intelligence or AI is changing the world of art. AI tools can create painting, music, poem, and digital designs. Art use AI to generate, creates ideas, and improve their work. For example, AI software can create realistic images, edit photos, and even compose music. Many designs and filmmaker user AI to save time and increase creativity. However, some people believe AI may reduce human creativity. Music machines can also create artwork, so AI should be used as a helpful tool, not as a replacement for human imagination. And next slide is animation and VFX used in modes like Avatar makes visual more realistic. Animation and visual effects, also called as VFX, are important example of art and technology working of together. Animation is used in cartoons, movies, games, and advertisement. VFX helps create special effects in films that look realistic and existing. Moving today use computer graphics, uh, green screen, and digital effects to create imaginary worlds and action scenes. Popular animated movies and superhero films use advanced and technology to entertain audience. Animation and VFX have also created many career opportunity to create people. And next slide is gaming as art. gaming and art. Gaming games combine art plus technology. An example is Minecraft. Uh, Video games are not for entertainments. They also are considered from of art. Games combine storytelling, music, graphics, design, and creativity. Games developers use technology to create beautiful virtual worlds and interactive experience. Modern games include realistic characteristics and artist background, emotional stories, and cinematic music. Designing a game required artists, programming, and musicians and designers to work together. Gaming has become one of the biggest creative industries in the world today. Uh, Next slide. Social media and art. Artists share work on Instagram and helps gain popularity. Social media platforms have changed the way artists share their work. Artists now use apps and website to display painting, photography, music, dance, video, and digital art. Social media helps artists connect with audience from all over the world. Many young artists become popular through online platform. Technology gives artists more opportunity to learn, grow, and earn money from their creativity. But social media but social media also has some disadvantages such as copying at work and too much competitions. And next slide is future of art and technology. VR, AR, and AI art, more creativity in future life. So the future of art technology is very existing. In future, we may see AI created movies and music, reality art and galleries, interactively digital experience, advanced animation and gaming, more creativity tools and artists. Technology will continue to improve creativity and open new opportunity. However, human imagination of emotions will always remain important in art. Conclusion, conclusion is art and technology are connected, and technology makes art easier and more creativity. So, to conclude, art and technology are strongly connected in today's world. Technology had changed the way art is created, shared, and experienced. AI animation, gaming, and social media are example of how technology support creativity. Both art and technology together makes our life more creativity, innovation, and existing. And this is my PPT presentation. And thank you so much.